start and melt into private.
Hello mga madam, another interior project here in Metrogate Subdivision, Angeles City. Actually, this is my fourth house sa ating katay-up na developer. Nagbe-build and sell po sila ng mga bahay pero ang strategy na ginagawa natin with of course sa katay-up po nating developer is build, interior, and sell. Mas mabilis po nilang nabebenta ang kanilang mga binebentang bahay kapag ito po ay fully furnished. So RML Enterprises is work hand in hand po even during the construction. So bumibisita po tayo sa construction site para magbigay po ng inputs for the color ng mga walls, yung position ng mga plug natin, yung position po ng mga lightings natin, color of the tiles. So, binivisit po natin yan regularly and kapag po natapos na siya, kapag fully furnished na siya, we do deliveries. Then, ini-interior po natin. Usually, we do interior sa mga ganitong bahay na medyo nagmamadali para mabenta agad is around 2 weeks to 3 weeks po. It's a fully furnished house at napaka-excited ako dahil this time, after the 3 houses, yung pang-apat po nating bahay na i-interior ay meron po siyang swimming pool. Sana po magustuhan ninyo. Thank you! I visited the house in March 14, 2004. Ongoing pa po yung finishing ng bahay. It's a 5-bedroom house, spacious living room, dining, 3 CR, 2 parking area, napakalaking lot area in 280 square meter, corner lot, and with swimming pool. So, kaya na po nating magsukat on our first visit. Kasi po, medyo fixed na yung mga windows. Kahit wala pa yung mga windows nila, kaya na po natin kumuha ng mga measurements for our window treatment purposes. Kaya na rin po natin kumuha ng mga measurements for the beds, kung kakasya ang queen bed, kung kakasya ang double bed, or king size ang kailangan natin. This is, I think, the bed room 1 in the second floor. We have bedroom 2, we have bedroom 3, 4, and of course the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Napakalaki po niya. Meron po siyang maliliit na window, but of course, with our window treatment, nilalakihan po natin ang mga ito. From the size of the window, like this one is 36 inches, so we managed to put at least allowance of 8 inches each side. So, 16 plus 32, it is around 42 inches yung window treatment po natin. On between the 2 small window, yan po, kinuha natin ang measurement for our bedroom, for our bed frame. We managed to put around king size 72 by 78 inches bed frame para po mas malaki at mas marami ang makakatulog. So, this is the bed room 1, and of course kinuha po natin ang measurement for our bonggang-bonggang stair. Lagi ko po nilalagyan ng top to ceiling and to flooring yung mga window treatments natin. Our first work in progress is on April 19. Then the next work in progress is April 25, April 28, and then the final touch in May 8. Medyo nagmamadali po yung client natin dahil po sa mga ganitong project build, interior, and sell, kailangan po nilang ipakita sa mga client nila na fully furnished na po yung bahay na binibenta nila. Hindi po tayo pwedeng magtawag ng mga broker at magtawag ng mga clients natin. Hindi po natin ma-open yung house if hindi pa po talaga fully furnished. So, yung first project natin dito is mabilis na benta. Second project is mabilis na benta rin. third project na benta rin po ng mabilis. And sana, this fourth project na may swimming pool, sana po mabilis din po siyang mabenta. Medyo after our first visit na measurement, it's around more than a month lang po. Tapos nakapag-interior na tayo dahil may mga titingin na daw po sa bahay. So this bed 3, I think, guest room, we managed to put 60 by 75. Then this is accent wall, accent mirror with a bonggang Chanel console. These are my big accent chair. In this house po, dahil malaki yung living room niya, we managed to put napaka-habang tufted sofa in 6-seater. Then dalawang accent chair and then dalawang stool in 36 by 36 inches. Naglalagay po tayo ng mga stool to open the space. So this is our work. Naglalagay na po tayo ng mga beddings. Yung mga binebenta po nating mga ganitong houses is we manage to cater at least 9 out of 10 clients. Hindi po siya kamukha ng mga specific interior design na may-ari na ng bahay. Kapag may-ari na po ng bahay, ipapalabas lang po natin kung ano yung gusto ng may bahay. Pero kapag mga ganito pong build, interior, and sell, at least po, magustuhan po ng mga clients, 9 out of 10. Okay na po tayo doon, diba? So, ito po yung final interior natin in May 8, 2024. Kasi nga po, meron na daw po titingin sa mga bahay nila. Meron na daw po mga clients dito sa bahay na ito. So, this is the dining area. This is the sliding. We managed to put 6-seater. And then, meron tayong accent wall clock. Yan. Napaka-spacious po ng bahay na ito. We managed to put napakalaking shaggy carpet sa living room in beige color to contrast the floor na mocha brown. Yan po. Chanel console with my crystal cut mirror in round. This is the bedroom sa baba na naglagay po tayo ng 60 by 75. Going sa my stairs ko, yan naglagay po tayo ng blinds para hindi po kumain ng space going second floor. And this is my bonggang window treatment sa ating stairs. I always put in window treatment ceiling to flooring. Para po hindi boring yung pag-akit sa second floor at may nakikita tayo something. At naglagay din po tayo ng napakabonggang painting sa wall na malaki going to the second floor. These are the rooms. Room 2 sa second floor. I put bed frame, wall frame, window treatment, lampshade. Yung mga lightings din po, tayo din po yung naglalagay. Napakabongga pong ibenta ng mga build na houses kapag po naka-interior na siya. And this is the master bedroom. On the master bedroom, we managed to put king size na bed frame in 72 by 78. The beddings, of course, para po maganda yung presentation ng mga beds natin. Of course, we put beddings also. In this master bedroom, we use color palette of gold, light gold, yellow, light gray. Kung mapapansin nyo po, the pillows are in gold gray, the accent chair is in orange, the accent bed runner is in orange, the lampshade is in yellow, gold, and of course, the center na makikita sa wall decor natin is in touch of yellow. Nakakasosyal at nakakayaman po tignan if we are going to use sa mga master bedroom natin ng gold, gray, and orange. Napakaganda po ng master bedroom natin. We put also TV pero hindi na po natin napakita dito facing the master bedroom bed. Meron po tayong TV. Thank you very much at sana po nagustuhan ninyo ang interior project natin dito sa Metro Gate Subdivision. Thank you so much and bye-bye!
L Enterprises. Do 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 da 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 do run run. Do a diddy diddy do do da 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 da